Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video I will discuss introduction to Go or Golang programming. Before we start, if you like this video, please hit the like button, don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Introduction to Go, Golang programming, presented by Professor Jake R. Pomperada, MIT Science Research Specialist 2, Technological University of the Philippines, Visayas. Introduction to Go or Golang programming language. At present time, there are already thousands of programming languages that is being introduced and being used in software development. One of the newest and promising programming language, Go, being developed by Google. The Go, often referred to as Golang, is a free, open-source, general-purpose programming language with advanced features and a clean syntax. Because of its wide availability on a variety of platforms, its robust, well-documented common library, and its focus on good software engineering principles, Go is an ideal language to learn as your first programming language. It was initially developed at Google in the year 2007 by Rob Pike, Ken Thompson, and Robert Grismer. It is a compiled, statistically type language in the tradition of ALGOL and C programming languages. It provides inbuilt support for garbage collection and supports concurrent programming. Programs are constructed using packages for efficient management of dependencies. The Go programming implementations use a traditional compile and link model to generate executable binaries. The Go programming language combines the development speed of working in a dynamic language like Python with the performance and safety of a compiled language like C or C++. Typical builds feels instantaneous, even large binaries compile in just a few seconds. At the compiled code runs close to the speed of C, Google said when Go was first launched. However, Go is not a free-form programming language, as it specifies a lot of formatting details such as the way spaces and indentation are to be used. The grammar is compact and regular, which allows for smooth analysis by automatic tools such as integrated development environment. History of Go programming language. The Go programming language was designed by three Google engineers, Robert Grismer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson, in an attempt to incorporate the best parts of many common languages while resolving many issues that had been identified with those languages. In particular, the three were aiming to remove the many complexities of C++. The team decided to create Go because they were frustrated with C++ and Java, which through the years have become cumbersome and clumsy to work with. They wanted to bring enjoyment and productivity back to programming. The Go language was first announced publicly in November 2009. It is in some Google production system as well as by other firms. At that time, the Google Go compiler was released as an open source development environment available in Linux, Mac OS, Microsoft Windows, BSD, Unix machines. In 2015, mobile versions of the software were also released. Why Go programming language? The Go programming language has the safety of static typing and garbage collection, along with the speed of compiled language. With other languages, compiled and garbage collection are associated with waiting around for the compiler to finish and then getting programs to run slowly. But Go has a lightning fast compiler that makes compile times barely noticeable and a modern, ultra-efficient garbage collector. You get fast compile times along with fast programs. Go has a concise syntax and grammar with a few keywords, giving Go the simplicity and fun of dynamically typed interpretive languages like Perl, PHP, Python, Ruby, and JavaScript. The idea of Go design is to have the best parts of many languages. At first, Go looks a lot like a hybrid of C and Pascal, both of which are successors to Algol 60. But looking closer, you will find ideas taken from many other languages as well. Go is designed to be simple, compiled language that is easy to use while allowing concisely written programs that run efficiently. Go lacks strenuous features, so it's easy to program fluently without needing refer to language documentation while programming. Programming in Go is fast, fun, and productive. Benefits of using Go programming language: quick compilation and execution speed, no virtual machine VM is needed, portability, lightweight Go routines that support concurrency. Interfaces enable loosely coupled systems, automatic garbage collection, memory safety, independent error handling, extensive built-in libraries. Drawbacks of Go: does not support generics, or the ability to write abstract, implicit code, lack of runtime safety, enforces strict rules, incompatibility with functions overloading, not conventionally object-oriented. We have here sample program with Go. So the first line explanation, the first line of code is comment, enclosed with slash, asterisk, and asterisk slash, which describes the file name of the Go program, the author who wrote the program, date, and other related information to the program. The comment statement are being ignored during the compilation and execution of a Go program. Line number 2, all Go files starts with package something. Package main is required for standalone executable, kind of alike preprocessor directives and header files in C, C++, in Java. Line number 3, this says we need FMT in addition to main package. Package other than main is commonly called library, a familiar concept in many programming languages, kind alike namespaces in C++. FMT package is used for screen input-output operations. Line number 4, just as package main was required to be first, import may come next. In Go, package is always first, then import, then everything else. When your Go program is executed, the first function called will be main. This is the entry point of the program execution when we run our Go program. Line number 5, the left curly bracket using the symbol left is being used to start the body of our Go program. In Go, we call a function from the package FMT to display a new line escape character in our screen using this symbol FMT print line or \n. Line number 7, the next statement will display the following message: hello world, welcome to Go, in our screen using FMT print line statement. And okay, line number 8, line number 7, in the next statement we display the following message: hello world, welcome to Go, in our screen using FMT print line statement, and in \t, this symbol represents horizontal tab. Line number 8, we call the function the package FMT to display a new line escape character in our screen using the symbol FMT print new line. Line number 9, the right curly bracket using the symbol is being used to end the body of our program in Go. We have here the sample program output. What is Go good for? Go is great programming language that is widely applicable. It fits all size software projects with any level of complexity. It is a simple features, minimalistic language, and maintainable code. Go is really good for writing network apps and web servers. The strength is it is in well-written and powerful standard library. Second, Go is very good for standalone command line applications or scripts. The successive behavior across platforms allows putting out simple command line application that that can run almost on any platform. Third, Go is a great choice for concurrency. Its concurrency model takes from communicating sequential processes. Networking applications are basically built on concurrency, and Golang's native features, example Go routines and channels, are perfectly fitted for this job. This makes Go programming language well suited for minimal frameworks, for web app development, APIs or application programming interface, web servers, etc. Golang developers prefer this language because most of the items like Go routines can be easily used and are available in its standard library. There is also an issue of latency with garbage collection. Google's language is claimed to be completely garbage collected and provides fundamental support for concurrent execution and communication. This is highly important considering the fact that some of the above-mentioned fundamental concepts are not well supported by majority of the programming languages. There are situations, though, when Go is not that good. First, Go is somehow applicable for writing system code, although it may be not the best option for writing system code. Go allows the integration of C code, which goes quite well. Second, you will be better not use it for desktop or GUI based application for development. Building rich graphical user interface for Go apps is still not that well managed. And then third, although Golang is able to talk with the native system functions, this language is not suited well for creating low-level system components like device drivers or embedded system design. Why are companies using Golang or Go? First, simple code, created for large projects, easy to learn, one problem, one solution, similar to C language, designed for multi-core processors, designed for the internet, quick compilation, small application size, open source model. 7 biggest companies using Go programming language. Google Incorporated. Golang was designed by Google engineers and it's often used there for internal projects. Google Chrome and Google Earth were created in this way. It is also used in YouTube and Google App Engine. Uber, one of the biggest companies using Golang is Uber. It is used there for geofence service, which serves the user location and product availability. The Twitch Go is used for the most loaded systems. It is appreciated for its simplicity, security, efficiency, and reliability, which means that it is perfectly manages problems encountered when displaying live video and simultaneous chats of a large number of users. Above all, however, Go enabled Twitch to improve 20 times the GC garbage collection factor responsibility for automatically managing dynamically allocated memory. Dailymotion. Dailymotion is a video streaming website. Thanks to Golang, among others, automation of API had been improved. This language makes it possible to carry out large number of automation tests, which could otherwise cause huge loads. All because of Golang's simplicity in its performance as well as possibility of static type checking. Syncgrade. Syncgrade is a cloud-based email service specializing in the delivery of transactional messages in one of the biggest companies using Golang. It is mainly responsible for sending purchase confirmations, sending offers, processing incoming messages, and forwarding customer inquiries. The company uses Go as the primary programming language. The advantages of this language allow it efficiently processes over 500 million messages a day. One of the challenges faced by Syncgrade was the need of instantaneous asynchronous programming. This problem was solved thanks to the simplicity and elegance of the clearly optimized Go code. Another argument in favor of switching to Go was the fact that the company's developers have already used it widely to solve problems with Syncgrade. It has also reduced the maintenance costs and resolved concurrency problems. Dropbox. Dropbox, one of the leaders in cloud computing services, constitutes another great example of a major company using Golang. It needs this language to scale its systems in a more efficient way. To this end, the company migrated its critical systems with Python to deal with the problem of insufficient depth or Go libraries, and to be able to build larger systems. Dropbox began to build its own libraries. This allowed them to improve caching, to improve the standard error interface, enable programmers to generate SQL statements programmatically, and to implement fully functional Memcache client libraries. Dropbox plans to expand Golang libraries and make it internally used libraries public on GitHub. SoundCloud. One of the biggest companies using Golang is SoundCloud. It decided to use Go language in addition to Ruby on Rails. Its engineers describe Golang as WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get language, which means that the code entered does not what appears on the page. In addition, they appreciate the one problem, one solution philosophy, which means less time is spent thinking about the code. For SoundCloud, the ability to perform static analysis in real time was also important, which was possible thanks to static typing and fast compilation enabled by Go. This is significantly accelerated the work of applications. Currently, SoundCloud uses 6 services and a dozen or so repositories completely written in Go. Golang, the future of programming. The Go language seems to be more relevant to the present day than most of the commonly used languages, thanks to the simplicity and the principle of one problem, one solution. It allows the companies using Golang to work on large projects. Here is my list of my reference in my presentation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you very much, guys, for your support in watching. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial, guys. Bye bye for now.